Alright, now if you use Google Messages as default messaging app on the Samsung Galaxy phones or any other Android phone, here is a very interesting feature which Google has recently added. Let me just open Google Messaging application here. Now I will tap on Create New Message. You see, on the top, we've got Gemini now available with which we can chat. And this is going to help us write contents on the Samsung messaging application. We can also do a lot more things with this. I'm going to show you that in a bit. Now, you need to have the latest version of Google Messaging application. Let me just show you the latest version here. Let's go to the store here. And here, let's go to the About App section. You see the latest version is kind of interesting here. It says messages.android _ 20240603_01_RC01. And it also shows the version for Samsung. It says phone _Samsung _dynamic. Now this is the version it is showing me here on my Samsung Galaxy phone, and this could be a different version name on any other Android devices. Now let's go to the messaging application here. Now, if Gemini is available on your Samsung messaging application, it will show up right here when you tap on Create New Message. On top, you will see Gemini. I will just tap on this. Now you see it says Chat with Gemini in Google Messages. I will have to tap on Continue. And then there are some terms and conditions here. Scroll all the way down and tap on I agree. And here it is. We have got the Gemini now available on Samsung Messages, with which we can draft messages, brainstorm ideas, plan events, or simply have fun conversations. And we can also create images and search for some interesting contents. This works something similar to the Gemini app that we have on the Android phones. Basically, Google has just integrated Gemini into the Google Messaging application. Now let me just quickly type write birthday wishes for my friend, and I'll tap on send. You see, Gemini will reply back to you with the birthday wishes. You see, it says here are some birthday wishes for your friend. Depending on the tone you would like to convey, we've got short and sweet, heartfelt, funny, and inspirational. So there are different ways we can convey this message, and Gemini is helping us out in writing the birthday wishes. Likewise, we can ask anything that we want on Gemini. Now, once we set this up, you can go back. You will see Gemini will be available right here on top whenever you open the Google Messaging application. Now, let's ask something else here. Let's say create an image of a Bengal cat having food. Let's tap on send. Let's see whether it's going to create an image or not. It is taking a few seconds here, and here it is. It says, sure, here is an image of Bengal cat having food, and it is showing me a couple of images right here. I'm not very sure whether these images are from the Google's database or this has been created by AI by Gemini. Let's do this again. Create an image of Batman riding a horse. Let's tap on send. Here it says we are working to improve Gemini's ability to generate images of people. We expect this feature to return soon and will notify you in release updates when it does. So for now, this image creation feature is limited. It is not creating images of people. That is something to note here. Now let's say if you want to write an email calling sick. You see, it is writing an email here. I can copy this and paste it on mailing application, or I can copy and paste and send it directly from Google Messages. So this is exactly what Gemini does even when you directly access Gemini. You see, I got Gemini application here. I can do the same thing on this as well. I can ask Gemini to write a mail, create images, or anything that I want. Now let's try creating images on a Gemini directly here. Create an image of Batman riding a horse. Let's see what it does here. Looks like a Gemini app is creating the images here. You see, I got an image of Batman riding a horse. This looks pretty cool, but this is not happening on the Gemini on messaging application for some reason. If it is the same Gemini version, then that should have been able to create an image of Batman riding a horse, but it is not happening on the Google Messages. But on the Gemini app itself, it is happening. I can directly download this image by tapping on this. So looks like this is not the same version of Gemini available on a Google Messaging application. There could be some limitations on the messaging app for Gemini, and Google may be working on this. So now we have got Gemini on Google Messaging application. If you're interested, you can go ahead and check out this feature. Just enable Gemini on the Google Messaging app. It will appear right here on the top. And you can directly chat with this assistant here instead of chatting with the Gemini or Google Assistant separately and then generating the contents and pasting it here on the messages. Now we will be able to do it directly on the messaging application itself. Now this feature is pretty cool, and similar feature is coming to WhatsApp as well. Meta is also adding its assistant on the WhatsApp so that we can directly generate contents on WhatsApp itself and send it across. That is going to be pretty cool. Nowadays, almost all the messaging applications and social media apps are getting the AI integration, and this is going to change the way we communicate for sure. That's about it. Let me know whether you're going to make use of Gemini on Google Messages. Drop a comment, and while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in this wallpaper on the home screen you're seeing here, you can go ahead and download it from the link in the description. Every video I post will have a brand new wallpaper. You can check out all my previous videos to download some beautiful looking wallpapers for your home screen. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead, become a part of Apex community to know your phone better. Tap on the subscribe button and give this video a like if you find this video useful. That's about it. Thanks for watching. My name is Salyan, signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.